Welcome to The Senior Decision Maker, where we deliver essential insights for today's top-tier leaders. In our rapidly evolving business landscape, it's crucial for board members, senior executives, politicians, and high-ranking leaders to stay informed and at the cutting edge. Join us as we delve into strategic decision-making, uncover emerging trends, and share expert advice to help you strengthen your competitive advantage. Now let's dive into today's topic, the incredible impact of AI on software development productivity. It's no secret that technology has been changing the way we work, but what's happening right now is nothing short of a revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game for software developers, and in turn for organizations that depend on their work. You might be wondering, what's the big deal? Haven't we always been improving our software tools and methodologies? Well, yes, we have. But the recent developments in AI-powered tools have taken things to a whole new level. These tools are not just about making developers' lives easier, but about redefining the way they work and collaborate, leading to unprecedented levels of productivity. Imagine a world where your software developers can work more efficiently, cutting down development time, reducing errors, and delivering high-quality products that meet your business needs perfectly. That's the world AI-powered tools are bringing to life, and it's essential for decision-makers like you to be aware of these advancements and their potential impact on your organization. So whether you're a seasoned executive, a tech-savvy manager, or just someone curious about the future of software development, today's episode is sure to spark your interest and provide valuable insights. Let's explore the AI-powered productivity surge in software development together. Have you ever wondered how these powerful tools can understand language, answer questions, and even compose poetry? Well, today we'll uncover the secrets behind their development and the factors contributing to their success. Picture this: a computer system that can effortlessly execute tasks we usually associate with human intelligence, like problem-solving, pattern recognition, and language comprehension. That's exactly what artificial intelligence, or AI, aims to achieve. And within AI, there's a special category known as large language models, or LLMs, that focus specifically on processing and understanding human language. These LLMs, like the popular ChatGPT, are trained using vast amounts of text data from a diverse range of sources. This enables them to learn grammar, factual information, and even develop some basic reasoning skills. The result? They can answer questions, generate text, translate languages, and even dabble in poetry. Now you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce behind these amazing language models? Well, it comes down to two key factors: a groundbreaking architecture and the use of more extensive training data. It all started with the introduction of transformers in the 2017 paper Attention is All You Need. While early models relied on simple techniques like counting words and analyzing their relationships, transformers use something called self-attention to better understand word relationships within sentences. This has led to a major leap in language processing capabilities. But that's not all. Expanding the training data also plays a crucial role in enhancing LLMs' language understanding and response creation. By exposing these models to a vast array of language examples, they can learn and adapt to various language patterns. Here's the most intriguing part. LLMs have developed what we call emergent capabilities. These are skills that they acquire during training without being explicitly programmed to do so. Just by being exposed to massive amounts of data containing examples of different tasks, an LLM might learn to answer questions, play chess, or translate languages. These emergent capabilities make LLMs incredibly adaptable and powerful, opening the doors to a whole new world of possibilities. So, what has this to do with software development? Well, one fascinating emergent property of LLMs is their ability to comprehend computer code. This means they can predict a program's behavior just by reading the code, which enables them to design, write, and test code themselves. And guess what? AI-driven tools based on LLMs are becoming game changers in the world of software development. Take GitHub, for example, a Microsoft-owned platform for software development and version control. They've reported that a staggering 46% of code across all programming languages is now constructed using Copilot. their AI-driven developer tool. Tools like Copilot help developers automate repetitive workflows, speed up learning, enhance efficiency, and ultimately boost productivity. But GitHub isn't alone in harnessing the power of AI for software development. Leading AI companies are also joining the race. Amazon has developed Code Whisperer, which generates code recommendations based on natural language, while Google has integrated programming assistants into their AI called Bard. And here's the exciting part. The next generation of AI-powered tools is already being showcased. GitHub's vision for the future, Copilot X, features chat and terminal interfaces, support for pull requests, and is built on the cutting-edge GPT-4 technology. According to GitHub CEO Thomas Domke, this new generation of tools will increase productivity tenfold. Now, let's discuss some fascinating data points highlighting the impact of AI and large language models on the world of work. So let's jump right in. Here is the first data point. Did you know that ChatGPT, the AI language model we've been discussing, actually interviewed successfully for an entry-level software engineering role at Google? That's right. According to CNBC, which got this from internal Google sources, ChatGPT landed an entry-level position, which typically requires an undergraduate degree in a computer-related field and offers a salary of $180,000. Second data point, the use of AI tools like GitHub Copilot can more than double developer productivity. A research report titled The Impact of AI on Developer Productivity found that programmers using AI tools completed tasks 55.8% faster compared to those who didn't. The study used a standardized programming task to measure productivity and found that less experienced, older, and busier developers benefited the most. If we extrapolate these results, the potential doubling of productivity could lead to significant cost savings. In 2021, over 4.6 million people in the United States were employed in computer and mathematical occupations, earning the equivalent of 2% of the US GDP. Third data point, failing to capitalize on new AI tools might have unintended consequences, as workers can use these tools to their advantage. The online magazine Motherboard interviewed a group of people who identify as overemployed. These individuals use AI tools like ChatGPT to manage multiple jobs during the COVID-19 pandemic, reflecting a growing trend of AI-assisted overemployment and its implications for the future of work and society. One worker said, ChatGPT does like 80% of my job, allowing them to juggle several employments simultaneously. Now, let's take a step back and reflect on the incredible advances in AI tools like ChatGPT and their impact on the software development landscape. Over the past year, programming has become more accessible than ever, with tools like ChatGPT allowing anyone to create simple Python programs just by providing plain text descriptions of their desired outcomes. Looking ahead, it's challenging to predict the next step, but two potential paths emerge: AI copilots that enhance human productivity and AI agents that entirely replace human workers. This distinction is similar to the choice between investing in productivity-boosting tools like business intelligence and labor-replacing solutions like robotic process automation, RPA. In the short term, copilots might prevail, while AI agents could gain prominence in the long run. However, the long term in the AI context could be as brief as months. It seems likely that a combination of copilots and AI agents will emerge, with AI agents gradually occupying a larger share of the workforce. Over the past 15 years, software development has evolved significantly, transitioning from waterfall projects and monolithic architectures to agile methodologies, cloud solutions, and composable architectures. This shift has fostered iterative development, modularity, and adaptability to change. The adoption of DevOps has promoted collaboration and streamlined release processes, while a decreased reliance on large-scale outsourcing highlights a preference for in-house or closely collaborating teams. These advances have led to more flexible, efficient, and cooperative software development practices that better serve businesses and users. The further along this evolutionary path, the greater the potential productivity gains are from AI tools in software development. Talent management is an area to watch closely as AI-driven solutions progress. Senior developers will be in high demand as their expertise enables them to maximize the productivity benefits of new AI tools. In contrast, junior developers may face increasing competition from these automated technologies. The job market will likely evolve to value developers who excel in areas where AI currently falls short. However, as AI capabilities improve, even these developers may eventually face competition from increasingly advanced AI solutions. So, it is crucial to adapt flexible talent management strategies to this changing landscape. Companies must adapt to the rapidly changing landscape of software development as AI tools continue to improve. The optimal approach today may not be optimal a year from now, and organizations need to manage this transition effectively. One approach is to handle different types of projects with distinct strategies. For projects related to innovation and transformation, here I suggest leveraging the increased productivity from AI tools to accelerate speed and output. For projects related to efficiency and modernization, here we can use business cases to guide decisions on capitalizing on the higher productivity from AI tools. For projects related to maintenance and compliance, here I think we can just integrate potential productivity gains from AI into regular business and financial planning and do the prioritizing there. The role of software development in the organization will determine the best path forward. Inaction risks falling behind competitors, as the industry is unlikely to stand still. So what has happened so far? Major tech companies have recently announced significant headcount reductions, including Meta, 11,000 jobs, Alphabet, 12,000 jobs, Microsoft, 10,000 jobs, and Amazon, 18,000 jobs. Although the market consensus attributes these reductions to extensive hiring during the pandemic and the anticipated recession, increased developer productivity due to AI advancements could be a contributing factor. This might have allowed these companies to maintain their output levels with a leaner workforce. If this is the case, we could see more layoffs in the coming months. As these changes unfold, the job market for senior developers may experience turbulence. Highly skilled developers, more likely to leverage AI tools to their advantage, will become increasingly sought after by both established companies and startups. So, to conclude, we'll be providing some recommendations for decision-makers on how to navigate the rapidly changing software development landscape shaped by AI advancements. My first recommendation is to assess your starting point. It's crucial to determine whether taking action now is necessary by evaluating potential consequences, estimating possible impacts, and weighing the repercussions of inaction compared to competitors' strategies. Keep in mind that prioritizing one area comes at the expense of another, so ensure that this is the right focus for your organization at this time. The second recommendation is to build your approach. Adapt tailored strategies for various project types, starting with innovation and transformation projects and advancing to efficiency and modernization and maintenance and compliance projects. Assemble lean in-house teams and seize the opportunity to adopt modern working methodologies, fostering a culture of innovation and agility. Finally, the third recommendation is to emphasize people and talent management. Focus on effective talent management, acknowledging that highly skilled individuals have numerous options and may require incentives to stay. Recognize the importance of leaders at all IT-related levels in harnessing new tools and maximizing productivity gains. In conclusion, the world of software development is changing rapidly, driven by advances in AI tools like ChatGPT. As decision-makers, it's essential to be proactive and adapt to these changes to stay competitive and capitalize on the benefits these technologies bring. Remember to assess your starting point, build a tailored approach, and emphasize people and talent management. By doing so, your organization will be well equipped to navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in this AI-driven landscape. Thank you for joining us today on The Senior Decision Maker, where we deliver essential insights for today's top-tier leaders. We hope you found this episode informative and engaging as we've explored the impacts of AI, technology, and their transformative effects on various industries. In our rapidly evolving business landscape, It's crucial for board members, senior executives, politicians, and high-ranking leaders to stay informed and at the cutting edge of their fields. Join us next time as we delve further into strategic decision-making, uncover emerging trends, and share expert advice to help you strengthen your competitive advantage. Until then, stay ahead of the curve and keep making those critical decisions that will shape the future of your organization.